Hello and welcome to my Two Cents podcast. I am your host, Rispa Kenda. This is the show where we dive deep, laugh loud, and keep it real. Let's make each and every episode unforgettable. Hi guys, welcome to my Two Cents podcast. If you're watching us for the first time, kindly hit the subscription button, and if you're here, this is not your first time, please make sure you share the video, like. It really supports our channel. And yes, today we have a very thought-provoking discussion. Of course, as you can see, I have a guest who we're going to be sharing our 2 cents with. Let me give her a chance to introduce herself. Drum rolls!
Ungekuanga unaniintroduce hivi kila mahali tungekuwa mbali kwa maisha. Anyway guys,
behave yourself. This is my podcast.
And I'm the guest here.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, you better be. Hi guys, my name is Lois Mwangi and welcome to Kenda's podcast, My 2 Cents. So this is gonna be like our 2 cents.
Mm-hmm.
Go subscribe. Doskose za cabbage.
Yes.
She's really, like she in Nairobi. Don't make her go back to Kiambu, please.
I know.
Go subscribe. Like 1 minute for you guys to subscribe.
Please.
Don't cost you a thing.
Thank you for the subscription. So let's dive into it. Please, are you ready for our topic today?
I'm always ready.
Wow. So, with no further ado, our topic today is about casual sex. Yes, you heard me right. Casual sex. Lois, how do you understand casual sex? Sina guest mwingine hapa leo ni wewe.
So ni mimi utakuwa tu kiaddress all that.
Yes.
Okay. So mimi nikisikia casual sex, the first thing that comes into my mind is no feelings. Kind of sex thing.
No attachment.
Yeah. No, maybe no attachment, but yeah, no, unajua feelings and attachment can be termed differently.
For real?
Yeah, they can.
If I'm not attached to you, can I have feelings for you?
Yeah, you can.
Tell me about it.
Feelings unaweza kuwa na control over it. Attachment ni ngumu. Like umekuwa attached to that person.
Okay. So casual sex hakuna feelings. But kuna attachment. Exactly. Hakuna attachment.
Attachment na hakuna feelings.
Yani mko tu hapo for that one thing. When it's done.
Like a friends with benefit kind of thing.
Oh yeah. FWB. MWB.
But sasa kwa hii ni sex pekee. Like nothing more, nothing less. No getting any other thing from the person.
Yeah, that's casual sex. What are
I think so. That's sasi according to my own understanding.
Oh yeah.
I
also think casual sex means no attachments, no feelings. We're just here for the deed and that's it.
Umeniangalia ulikuwa unataka kuniuliza, have you ever been into one? No!
That's my next question. How did you know? Are you an angel?
I know you.
My next question is, have you been in a situation whereby you're friends with benefit?
No.
No?
No. Have you?
Okay. Have I?
You know, when you're like asked something and then you take a long time to answer it, that means you're just thinking of how you're gonna put it out there.
No, I'm thinking because maybe I have, but then I really get attached easily. I get attached to things and people easily.
Ukaini kama mtu anakuwa attached easily.
Because that is the person I've chosen to show you guys. You don't know me.
So you get attached haraka.
I do. So tunaweza kuwa decide maybe let's be friends with benefit. In between, me, personally, I fall in love.
Na ni only suggest.
Na ni mimi nilisuggest.
Banned.
Oh my God.
What? You know, that is very selfish. Atuendo una suggest mkwe na the casual sex. And then, wewe ndo una fall in love. It's like you're breaking the rules of your game.
But maybe at the moment, sikuwa ready for commitment. But then my sexual needs need to be met.
But in the midst of all that, you fall in love.
I fall in love. I guess I start getting attached to that guy.
Why? Is it because vile anakutreat?
I don't know. I think I'm a lover girl in denial. For real. Najua huku nje mnaniona kaa gangster, but I'm not.
Guys, go to her Instagram page and then come back to the YouTube and then tell us what do you think about her.
In fact, also visit my TikTok. Says a lot.
That's even worse. That's even worse.
Wow. So, in this generation, najua casual sex imekuwa normalized sana.
It's not normal.
It's not. What do you mean? First of all, the Bible says sex is for the married people only. If you're having sex before marriage, you're fornicating. That is a sin. You belong hell. That's where you belong.
Why? It's like you're telling me.
I'm saying like, that's why you belong. If you think casual sex is normal,
what makes you think I've also been having like sex like normal?
Oh yeah,
what makes be you a virgin? Think, maybe I'm practicing celibacy. Huwezi jua. Usini judge. Mimi kuva short dress doesn't mean I'm having sex out here, according to what the society thinks.
True. Actually, the society ndo inafanya watu wa feel kama casual sex is not normal because
But they also did that.
There was casual sex kitambo.
I think so. Ni vile sasa maybe they were not terming it as casual sex. Because tell me why. See, they always say men are polygamous, right? Huyo mtu maybe ako na a wife and probably anarusha mawe kwingine and all that.
Actually, tell me why walikuwa wanatafutia mtu like maybe your mom, for a guy, your mom looks out for a beautiful chick kwa vile.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
Kwa village, a beautiful chick kwa village, alafu anakuletea bibi na hamja bond, ampendani.
But trade inaweza saizi.
Oh no. Kwanza mkae chini, mjue Lois ata date nani.
Nani amewambia
si mkae chini mdiscuss. Si umesema you come on.
Nimesema tu I can be dating na si have sex. Yeah. Oh, don't give me that late. I can't. Naweza kuwa na date na si have sex. Like mna agree to, maybe nime agree na my other significant. Let's wait till marriage.
Yeah.
So niko nakwambia stories za harusi sometimes back. Probably. You never know.
Yeah. You never know, guys. You never know.
So whatever makes you think that I've been having sex, no, I've not been having sex. But for me, I think casual sex is normal. So far, so good.
In this generation, casual sex is normal.
Very normal.
Kitambo, it was not normal.
It was, ni vile ikukuwa termed. Or rather, watu hawakukuwa na cameras, hawakukuwa na more knowledge. It was there, I am sure. That is why these people wako na many other wives outside.
So you're supporting we should normalize casual sex in our society now?
I'm not saying we should. What I'm saying is I think it has been like it's normal.
It has been normalized already.
Like say ni kitu nitakuwa shocked nikiambiwa mtu amefanya. I'll be like, it's okay, you know what you're doing, you're a grown up. And that's it. It's very normal.
Okay, but kuna hizo stigma in society when you're having those casual sex, wewe ni prostitute, unagawa sana, they forget in between you're having fun. So I think we should focus more on the positive side,
which is having fun.
Casual sex.
Plus, I think
are there like some benefits or some positive side of casual sex?
Yeah,
there is.
The fact that I feel like what wako too busy with life, maybe after dough and all that, casual sex works for them. Juu huyu ni mtu probably hayuko mind yake iko ready kucommit because of his work. Na najua kicommit ata end up to heartbreak the girl probably or the man. So whatever itamsaidia ni the casual sex thing, because hapa hakuna feelings. You come to an agreement with someone, you're gonna be only doing the deed and then that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Na unapata zina last than actually zina last kuliko the committed relationship. Not even
watu wanaoana wana
talking about marriages here. We're not talking, tunaongelea kuhusu relationships na zinakaa kuliko.
Kwani mna date relationships mfanya nini? Hamtaki kuolewa? What's the end goal of dating, guys? Are you guys dating for fun, not for marriage?
I think it's more of a day at a time.
That is someone who's not ready for marriage, clearly.
Not ati kukua ready for marriage. Mi naweza sema tu a day at a time.
Okay.
Ni kama tu saizi. You see how the economy is? People are having like hand to mouth. Okay?
Yeah.
Huyu mtu ukimwambia story ya 5 years to kama anashangaa unamwambia nini? It's the same thing. Ukiniambia story ya marriage that is in the near future unaniambia. Kwanza does it even work?
The big question, does it even work?
It does. I believe kuna beautiful marriages.
So guys, mimi, I feel like casual sex zinasaidia huko nje. First of all, watu kama sisi wenye tunataka ku-explore, you know, casual sex helps because some of the things you cannot do with your boyfriend, they're gonna start judging you.
Why are you with your boyfriend if your boyfriend is gonna judge you? He's not like he's your husband. It's your boyfriend, guys.
Or maybe you find a boyfriend mwenye hataki ku-explore in that area ya sex and everything. Maybe he's adventurous, yes, ataka kwenda kufanya hiking, mountain climbing. You want to explore in the sex world.
So you get another one.
So you get someone who you're gonna have fun with, because casual sex, there's no feelings.
And then your boyfriend will still remain to be your boyfriend.
Why do you have a boyfriend if you're having casual sex with someone else?
That's my point. No maana nakuuliza, umesema if your boyfriend hataki ku go through like the adventures and stuff, you're gonna get someone who is doing that. So utachana na chali yako.
Yeah.
Uende kwa mwenye anataka kuwa adventurous.
Mwenye anataka ku have fun. When I'm done with having fun and I want to get serious in life, then I can go back to my boyfriend. Period.
So you think your boyfriend amewekwa tu hapo akungoje?
Si lazima ningoje. Si move on hata yeye. Kwanza ni boring, hataki ku explore.
Wow. Casual sex it is. So utaenda kwa mtu mwenye no feelings attached.
Yeah.
Unajua hiyo kitu inakanga fun until it's not fun. Because kuna time unataka tu kuongea na mtu. Unataka mtu akukudanganya. Let me put it in that. Yes. Actually, yeah. Unataka tu mtu akukudanganya. Like sweet lies. Casual, mtu akukupea casual sex haiwezi kupea hizo sweet lies. Because hakuna feelings.
No, feelings zangu nitaenda kufa nazo kwa nyumba.
You're gonna end up depressed.
I will talk to people. We're having a girls' night out. I'm gonna open up when we are drinking.
Open up. Exactly. Skia.
Open up is for casual sex. Open up.
Even for the girls,
there's
the opening up. We are swadanganye.
Mr. President, why are you gay?
Skia, my point here is, Kenda, hata ukisema ati casual sex, you're gonna have fun, you're gonna have all that. You cannot convince me. I'm a woman, so I know. Inaweza fika ile time, hata si ati unataka, hata even the sex scandal, you just want someone to talk to. Yeah. Leave the girls ati no. Mtu tu anakukatia na uongo ni nini, you know? Like your idol. That's my point. Casual, mtu anakupea casual. A friend with
I'm not the liar, I'm the liar's girlfriend. Mtu anakudanganya, literally mtu anakudanganya. I'm not the liar, I'm the liar's.
Kwani what do men do?
They lie.
Don't they?
Men who are watching, tell us, do you lie to us? Oh my God, I'm so heartbroken.
You've done just a TikTok saizi too about chali yako kukutumia do. Wewe tu mwenyewe umetoka kusema, why usipretend hapa kwa kamera?
TikTok ni content.
Pia ni content.
I don't mean it.
She does mean it. I remember there's a time you used to post a lot of content. And then about Kalenjin men, actually. And then one time, ukatuopenia up, ukatuambia vile ulikuwa heartbroken na a Kalenjin man. Tukiwa na girls. I think we were at Gems. So me and Gift were like, so Kenda na posting TikTok what she's going through.
Oh, I snitched on myself.
But anyway.
Highlight of the day, just avoid Kalenjin men from me. Thank you. You're welcome. So, tumesema benefits ngapi za casual sex?
3.
Tatu peke yake.
No, tumesema moja, hiyo ya mtu kukuwa busy na hiyo yenye unataka kuexplore.
Yeah, on sex. Which one else do you think is a benefit? Kwani iko na more?
Iko na more actually.
Iko na more.
So hapo uta feel shy. Because you don't care.
Actually, yeah, because you don't care.
Like akitaka kuenda ishie tu.
You just look for another FWB.
Yeah. Pale mnajua tu the only thing you guys are there for is sex. Nothing more. So of course ukimtext ama yaki kutext, in your mind you're just ready.
It's going down.
You've been to one.
What?
You've like done casual
but
sex.
They don't last because I fall in love now.
So you've been to a few of them and then zikakosa kuwaka.
Yeah, like 2, which I had decided these are casual sex because I don't want to get committed. And then to anyone at the moment then. And then 1, 2, 3. And then the 4th time I'm in love. I'm like, hi babe. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
I know. It's not cool at all. But anyway, guys, we move.
Ulikuwa heartbroken.
No, sasa niko heartbroken, I mean ndo nilichagua. Sini.
But you know, funny thing, when you wanna suggest funny thing, the ones who suggest about the casual sex, they like the huyo mmoja mwenye anaanzanga you know, yes. Me don't want something serious, I only want us to be, you know, having this thing and that's it, nothing more, nothing less. That person ends up falling in love.
True.
And then the other person is always stuck, like, but we agreed you're not gonna fall in love.
Yeah. Maybe I should try it with like a high profile guy.
You're gonna get killed.
I will not cheat.
Oh! Plus, high profile guy, these people are too busy. Time unataka, si time ya anataka. Unajua casual inafaa kukuwa mutual. Pia wewe ukitaka he's available. But in this case, wewe ukitaka hatakuwa available.
Oh yeah. Tunafaa kuandikiana agreement or some contract.
I think I do me if I'm gonna like have something like that in the near future, I'm gonna sign a contract.
I'm gonna make sure you have conversation about people normalizing contract marriages. Nimeona hizo memes. Where are we headed as a society?
You wouldn't. I would. You know why? Let's be honest. Love inaishanga. If you guys kama mkukuwa friends from the word go, you guys are not gonna do that again. Love ikisha, you guys cannot fix that. If you guys were not friends, you cannot fix that.
Where.
And then humans tuna change. Type yako hii mwaka si type yako next year. You get? For real.
True. By the human beings change.
Na hiyo ndo the bitter truth yenye sisi humans hatutakangi kukubali. And you guys are gonna say na paka umalaya mafuta, but
sugarcoating umalaya.
Humans change. That is how our minds, like every second. The me a second ago, it's not the me right now, and the same. No maana nasemanga, I can make a decision right now and it changes in the next 10 minutes. It is still me. So hizo ikifika ni kwa story kama ati contract, I'd prefer that.
Shaleta Lois hapa tuambie about contract marriage.
Ndo tukifeel tumechokeshana, tunataka kurenew, we just terminate it. Tukitaka kurenew, we draft another one.
Okay. I don't think you have feelings.
I do have feelings.
Risks of casual sex.
Risks of casual sex. Hey, ugonjwa. Imagine ugonjwa. And then, hey, if you go to Kenyatta, place ya watu wako na AIDS, trust me, you're gonna abstain.
For real? Where?
Hakim.
Kwanza nilisikia ni watu hawakai. Yani watu
saizi
watu wenye wako nayo hawakai. You get it?
Juu, unajua ukimeza dawa continuously, hiyo virus inaenda ikiisha. Aitaisha like completely, but in a balance. There's a weight balance. It's all ARVs in a balance. So you uko too healthy.
Damn.
You should get like a professional doctor and akuja ambie watu about, you know, the STDs and the AIDS and all that.
Yeah.
It will be a really good talk. So ugonjwa. Mimi,
I should, by the way, because the rate that easy STIs and HIV is increasing. Kwanza within amongst as young people, it's crazy.
Yeah, it's great. And then the fact that to normalize
mechi just looks normal.
Simbaya. It's okay. Like, have sex really, like, have it as many times as you want to. When you get old, you're not gonna have sex that much. Other women, have it right now. As many times as you want. Mpaka nimewaangalia like, guys, have sex as many times as you want. There's a time itafika you won't be having as much sex. But my point is, hapo kwa like vile wame normalize mechi mpaka hawajali.
Exactly. Hiyo ndio inashtua hata.
Kwanza Gen Z. Hawa tu kitu wanaogopa ni ball na kuolewa. They don't fear disease like at is due gonjwa. Me, I think of all the things,
the colonization of the head,
apart from poverty. Apart from poverty and maybe losing my loved ones, the other thing I fear is kugonjeka.
Hey, that's
crazy. Sipendi dawa.
Can you imagine kumeza dawa every fucking day? What?
Aki sipendi dawa, sipendi sinda. I am so proud of everyone like who wakes up and takes the medicine every day. Yeah. Yo, you are doing it. Hey, like, kama una feelingi, if you're out there like and you're sick and you feel like, you know, you're not doing anything in this life, trust me, you're doing kumeza dawa daily.
Imagine. Actually, those people who are open to it on TikTok now, Nanga, spend
a day
with me
that.
As I take my ARVs.
I love that.
Go join me as I go to pick my monthly ARVs. I love that. Watu wame-embrace hiyo kitu, yani the stigma imepungua.
Yeah, si kama kitambo.
Kitambo
huwezi kula na kijiko ya mtu mwenye yako.
Imagine, sure. Hiyo nini tulikuwa tunafanya.
Si though.
The colonization.
It was not us, it was the other generation, like our parents and the shoshos.
But hata shule watu ungesikia ati mama ya ule anakuanga na HIV. Hata kukaribia huyo mtoto. Oh my God.
Plus I think it's from the family where someone is from. Like you see, if your family is kwetu tutakuanga full of love. In a way, like hata hapa nje, I have something to give.
Yeah.
But kama mtu amerezio kwa familia ina love, of course hadi utakuwa unaona huyu mtu ataweza nipay. Like mind yako iko too focused on hata mkishikana anakupea ugonjwa.
Yeah.
But casual sex ina lead to.
So number one risk ya casual sex ni ugonjwa. Guys, please embrace safe sex. Let's normalize safe sex out here. Tumieni tu condom. I know everybody says it's sweeter when it's not wrapped, but
you
please wrap it.
You think so?
I think so.
Me, I think it's a difference.
Iko na difference.
They're good condoms. Invest in good condoms.
Invest in good condoms as well. True.
Yeah, like it's not like a paid ad. The skin condom.
Oh yeah.
Super nice.
I'll try it and I'll come give you a review, guys. Don't worry, I got you.
It's not an ad. Like, according to what I've had, I've also not like tried it. I've had it from my friends because there's a time we used to do to the condoms and stuff. People were like giving the reviews. That got a lot of reviews. And goal ya sex ni
kufika climax.
Kumoga. Okay.
And goal ya sex ni kumwaga.
Yes. Ukiwa na condom hutamoga.
Utamwaga bado.
And then
I think ni the skin to skin thing there's something that comes with skin to skin.
Unafeel kama new pussy. Hakuna.
Number 2 risk niyo yangu yenye nimesema. I end up being attached to someone I had not planned to be attached. So attachments. That's a risk. And now I cannot leave the guy. And the guy is like, we agreed this is casual sex. We're overreacting. I'm like, I'm not overreacting.
I think more women are not meant to do casual sex. Yeah.
Yeah. It's
think
not
so.
for us.
It's
Because
not for women.
naturally, women, we reason with our emotions. Men reason logically. So of course, kwa tukisema casual sex, women kidogo tunaumia because we get attached very easily.
I think
Shuka hii nywele, I'm so attached. Nails, I'm so attached. Like women, what is wrong with us?
Okay, mi sijui.
Wewe huwezi jua, wewe ni nonchalant. Relax.
No, casual sex I do so good. Actually, the guy ndo atafall mbele yangu. I can bet on that. For me. Like, kama nataka kuwa attached to something, na investia sana. Sasa kama hizi na feel, I'm not really satisfied, nitatoa ni.
Sasa imagine upate a lover boy and then umuumize roho where you fall in love.
No, sijasema si fall in love. Nimesema tu, my attachment game is so good. My could detach.
Your detachment game
it's
is
so good. And smooth. Because I don't like drama. Me, I'll just go to my mom anipikie na hiyo story ishe. You know the other thing yenye ni easier? Kama nataka kudetach, na umenitext na message yako iko hapo, I'll delete it. Ndio nisikuone kwa lineup yangu. And I'll forget you like that. Na sita kutext tena.
What?
That will be it. So kuwa attached for me na. Nikikaribianga tu hivi. Nisikie ni kama naenda kwa touch na step back. I think ni the fear of getting attached.
And then those people.
And then huyo mtu anakudisappoint. Yeah.
That is actually what you have. Mimi on the other hand, kaende, we get attached, tuachane next week, nilie, on to the next. Any other risks are casual sex, so that now we go to why. Why are people embracing casual sex?
Unaona casual sex pia na feel ina cause easy very many death cases. Okay, in this way. Boy ameenda kaambia them me fall in love ama the other way around. And then probably wanataka kuachana.
Yeah.
Moja bibi ako na like ni mtee wa matempers and all that stuff. Akiona hizo temper. You know, because hizi casual sex come kunotice zina end up ingi zinakuwa, if I can't have you, no one can have you.
No one else can have you.
And no one else will have you. Guys, and that will end up to you going to your grave. Do you think casual sex ina help married people? Ama ina break the marriage?
I feel ina help. I'm telling you, like, side chicks in Nairobi wameshikilia marriage za watu, because some of you mngekuwa mmesharudi huko ushago kwa wazazi wenyu, your marriage ziko down, but the side chicks, hoye, mmesaidia watu.
Hebu explain that point.
So this is what I feel myself, or rather experiences zenye nimeona na watu wengine, maybe si mimi, my friends. Maybe the husband is not happy in the marriage. Just for a short period of time, hajafurahia. You see that short period of time, akienda hivi a hang out na the side girlfriend or the friends with benefit to go have sex. Sex actually, you know, it helps with mood swings. Tell me in the comment section, guys, after engaging in sex, is your mood the same? Or do you feel some type of way, motivated, you've changed, you're lively, nini? Tell me, do you feel that way? So imagine your husband mmekosana, ametoka, ameenda, amechill na side chick wake hapo hivyo Mirema kwa BNB. Actually, let me add something. Casual sex is promoting businesses out here. Because casual sex amwendi kwa mtu kwa nyumba.
Kwa nini?
Naenda kwa BNB.
No, mnaweza enda kwa nyumba. Actually, it's even better juu kama mnataka a long-term casual sex thing. You're gonna be wasting money in these BNBs. You just go home. Lakini ukienda kwa nyumba. No, mkienda kwa nyumba mta catch feelings. Because
Hapo
the girl,
entitlement hapo ndio inaanza
the
kuingia.
woman will be like, amenipeleka kwake.
Nilimpikia, so I feel like the woman in his life and then tukwa BNB, maliza mambo yenyu, mjue hiyo si nyumba yenyu, kila mtu aende kwao. Nani ana kwao? Anyway, back to married
like
people.
House.
Do you think my point na make sense?
Yeah, it does. It is. Actually, it is making sense. Yeah.
Because imagine the husband mmekosana, and then you guys stay hapo kwa nyumba just throwing dirty words to each other in front of your kids. You're not even going to solve anything. But then if your husband takes like a break ende weekend ako Naivasha with some babe mwenye amevaa a short dress like Lois.
You had to use me in that sentence. It's okay.
They've gone to Naivasha, amerudi, amemdrop, alafu amerudi kwa nyumba kwa in a very good mood. Probably hata amesahau mlikuwa mmekosana, you know.
Let me ask you, you're the wife here.
Why am I the wife?
Now you're the wife in this scenario. And then you find your husband is having like a casual sex out there. What will your reaction be?
Me being a Gen Z in this generation, yeah, hiyo si kitu hata ya kunishtua vile watu wanakulana in Nairobi. First things first, I would be scared for my health, so I'd be like, are you using condoms? Like, are you guys safe? What are you doing? Sita jam ile ya unaona kitambo ungejam like unalala na bwana yangu unafanya no. I'd be like, are you guys safe? Are you even using condom? Like mmepima? Is she the only are you the only guy analala na yeye ama she has a boyfriend out there? Me, I would sit my husband down and ask those kind of questions. For real.
Women, respect yourself. The problem is not that woman. The problem is your husband.
Exactly.
Work on your husband. And
True.
It's not like it's staki kusema. I know Christians are gonna like bash me for this because they are deputy Jesuses out there, and it's okay.
Wacheni Yesu afanye kazi yake. Please.
Yeah.
You're not the judge. You're the judge.
You see
child.
how these people say out there. Vile wanasemanga, I believe men, or rather my man won't have another woman out there. You know, I believe some marriage works and stuff. But your confidence, yeah, my man haina mtu mwingine hapo nje. Me personally, but mimi, I don't know, it's maybe I'm damaged. Okay, I don't know. But a man with one woman in this world, I don't think so. These people are not kama sisi. They're not even emotionally, like these people need visualizers too. Whatever they see is what they want. They don't care about anything. The rest that is juu your personality. Sia bibi yako kwa nyumba juu ya personality. Sasa
na morals. Sisi wenye hatuna morals.
Yeye mwenye hana morals asiniweke kwa. But me, I think so because kutoka kitambo, like even angalia mababu zetu, our fathers, there and all that. Ati mtu tu ako na one wife. Are you poor?
Giving scarcity mentality. Scarcity mentality.
But Humzama, you know, I'm not married, so I wouldn't know what happened for hizo marriages.
Yeah.
So I am not in a position to say at men, all men have women and all that. You know, probably mine hatakuwa na another woman.
I want us to discuss why are people normalizing casual sex nowadays? For me, let me give an example because I've said I've been in one, but it didn't end like that. I fell in love. So, why I got into that situationship, casual sex, it was like a rebound. I just wanted not to feel lonely because I had come from a long-term relationship. So imagine you've dated someone for like maybe 4 years or 3 years. Hiyo ni a long time. Wacha wenye wanasema ati 10 years na bado hujaolewa. We umedate mtu for 2 years ama 3 years. That's a long time for me. 3 years. 2. Hey, that's a long time. Si ndio? So for those 3 years, all you know is to stay with that guy, is to love someone, is to be with someone. So unaona after me break up your loneliness, you just need someone to keep you company and to, you know, continue engaging in sexual intercourse with. That is one reason as to why I got into that casual sex situation ship. It was a rebound. And then boom,
you fell in love
as a woman.
Unaongezea
I'm just being a girl.
Unaongezea man, I'm just being a girl. Stay away from her. I'm just a girl. You to death. But anyway, so uliongezea chumvi kwa kidonda.
Reason yangu ilikuwa hiyo, ilikuwa rebound.
But ulipata shoulders, badala when you lean, ukaekelea legs.
I found a shoulder to put my legs on.
I think casual sex is easy to maintain because you don't have to explain anything to anyone.
Washirati nyinyi. Oh my God.
Committed one. Like the fuck you have to tell someone, you know, naenda hapa na hapa na hapa, or rather I'm hanging out with this and this person.
Yeah, babe, this weekend I'm going out with Kinaloy.
But me find it okay. I said ni ruhusa unaomba.
Exactly, it's just communication.
Unasema ni respect.
Ni respect.
And then you know something bad might happen to you out there.
Yeah.
So like you telling the person where you are, who you are hanging out with, can save you from a lot of nonsense.
True.
But so for casual, you don't have to explain anything to anyone.
Na move to kama ujali.
Casual sex, hiyo ni kunormalize. Hiyo ni umalaya. In a way, you to have sex na mtu bila feelings. Hapana.
Yeah. Si mna have to mkiwa high or drunk after a night out.
Hamta kiss.
Sasa mimi nilifall in love. Sasa mimi unatuliza Didi.
Juu hiyo part ati hamta kiss.
Guy, wait a minute. Casual sex watu wa kiss? I don't want.
Hey, hakuna emotion. Me personally I can't kiss someone like sipendi kabisa. Like kabisa. Me kissing is essential than even having sex itself.
Me, I think bado I can't have even casual sex anymore in my life because now I can only get intimate with someone that I'm attracted to and I really, really, really like. Why people are having casual sex out here? I feel
they want multiple partners.
Yes, you Sherati.
Of course, ni Sherati. But see, that is a reason too for having, because hakuna mtu unafaa kwa yeah, true.
Luo men. Kalenjin men. Kalenjin. What do you think is another reason why people are
having casual sex? I think watu wamekuwa drug addicts in a way mpaka they don't even realize when they're having that sex.
Yeah.
Like maybe, and then watu wamenormalize orgies. What?
Threesomes. Oh my God, guys, where are we headed as a country, as a nation?
But I feel these things were there. Kutoka kitambo, it's just because,
threesomes zilikuwa kitambo.
Yes, it's just because hizi ni vitu zenye hakukuwa na simu za send all the informations, because even lesbianism and gayism, it was there, it has always been there. Ni vile saizi ndo watu wanaanza kuzi-advocate for.
Hizo ndo zilikuwa zinaitwa Sodom and Gomorrah, that time Jesus was beating them up in a church. Where was it?
Aliwachapia.
Tuandikeni hiyo verse hapo chini tuone ni wapi kulikuwa na Sodom and Gomorrah. Oh my God, ni venye tu hawakuwa na simu angerecord only fans in it.
That is why celebrities na mimi mecha niseme a celebrity and me tuko na difference. I might be doing something bad, but ni vile yangu haiko kwa camera.
Yeah.
You know, but celebrity yake like iko kwa camera, like people are following up. So people are gonna judge the celebrity, and yet nyi mnamjudge na kuna nyinyi wenye mmejificha ni juu tu amko kwa camera.
Yeah.
So
na tuwajui hivyo sana.
Ni kama kitambo sasa na saizi.
Well, I also feel like
Say it.
curiosity and for maybe exploring.
Curiosity. Yeah. Kwa watu wanapenda kuexplore. Watu wako, me I feel au ni watu wanakuanga full of life. Wow, because me the farthest
Hautaki kuexplore?
mi niko sawa. The farthest I've gone is like to go in the same room watu waki have sex.
And did you join them?
No, I left. That's the farthest nitasema nime nothing.
Kuja attend an OG
I've not like attend like
or a
I've
sex party.
I've been to one but ilikuwa job at first. It was like a video shoot and then ika end up after imeisha they did that, of which I left. Like me, I can't stand I can't stand not that I know, plus I wouldn't judge anyone who is in for exploring and all that. People have their own ways. Sitaki kusema people have been raised differently. No, because hata vile tulireziwa si vile tunaishi saizi.
Tunaishi sahi. Me, I was raised very well. Hizi tabia mbaya
ni wewe umejifunza na marafiki zako. And I'm not one of her friends, so yeah, amefunza
na marafiki zake. We don't know each other. She DM'd me to be on my podcast. At this point na feel sa to normalize to casual sex.
Hapana, tusinormalize. Okay, to normalize but tusiweke out there. You get it? Like sikia venye mi usema hata kwa lesbianism and gayism, you are gay, you're lesbian, but don't go out here rubbing it on people's face. It's okay, you're proud. Hata sisi tuna having sex now, we don't go around telling people who we are having sex with or whatever we are having sex with.
True.
Like ni tu ile respect whatever. As much as people are having sex with very many things, toys and stuff.
Well, me, I'm having with people.
You never know.
Someone.
It's okay. But my point it's like usiende usi rub it on people's face because some people are provoked by such talks.
Yeah.
Not us. Me, actually, I love sex talks. Kabisa.
That is why she's on this podcast, and that is why we created this podcast for those sex talks. What you guys don't want to talk about, we'll talk about it here.
I think like usiende ukiambia watu until you're comfortable enough with someone you can talk to about those stuff. So pia kwa hii casual sex venye unasema to normalize sawa, but tusiende tukirub it on people's face. You know, to normalize this and this. No. You do your thing kivyako. If you feel it's okay, like kwa una feel uko satisfied with whatever you're doing, usilete out here. Sawa, you're proud of it, nini, but me acha tuniseme vile watu wa kitambo vile wanasemanga sex ni bedroom affairs, and I feel like the bedroom affairs yako na your personal persons zibaki hapo. Normal talks, you can have normal talks, but personal zibaki bedroom.
I want you to tell us some tips that will ensure we are having safe and healthy casual sex for those who have chosen to have casual sex. Vitu wanafaa ku
work on.
Yeah.
I feel coming to an agreement before you all start the thing.
Yeah, communication first.
Yeah. Like, are you gonna have another partner? If you're gonna have another partner, na huyu mwingine pia ta have another partner, I feel pia mnafaa kuongelesha the other partners. Are they gonna have other partners?
Oh my God, it's a roller coaster. What?
Yeah, that's why I feel hata kama ni your casual sex, have this one person who you know pia yeye hachezi nje.
Yeah.
Ni nyinyi tu mna have your casual sex and that's it.
Another one for me, I think practicing safe sex always, because umesikia kama hiyo ya mtakuwa nyinyi mmeagree kwa na casual sex, and then mtu aende huko road trip alale na mtu mwingine aende girls night out, hukapiwe na marafiki zake akipata mtu mwingine, and then bado mpatane next week.
That will be so bad.
You see? But if you are practicing safe sex, then that will not be a problem to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think testing before you all start the relationship. is it even a relationship?
Mm.
No, it's not.
It's not.
Testing before you start having sex with that person.
Yeah.
Both of you get to test. Mjue, you know, it's a bit tensing. Iko na tension hapo, but you just test mjue. You guys are starting on a clean pace, and that's it. Ndo msikuwe mnablemiana in the midst of mkifika katikati, you're like, you were sick, you never told me. Na kumbe hamkutest.
We?
Alafu pia si must. Get your person. Although hata ukipata your person bado tu atatafuta another person. Hey.
In whose hands are we safe? In whose hands? The last one. Emotional awareness. Usikue kama mimi. Usiende hapo kujifanya gangster. Oh, you're ready for casual sex. Oh, no attachments, no feelings, and then boom, you're in love, and now you cannot leave somebody's son, because you fell in love. So be aware of the emotions. Kama wewe ni kama mimi, tulia tu, ngojea Mungu atakuletea mtu wako and maisha inaendelea. After all, who has died because of not having sex?
And it resurrected. No, I'm joking. Me, I can stay for a very long time without having sex. Even years. I've stayed for 2 years at some point in life. Yeah.
2 years. Niko 3 months celibacy journey and I'm about to quit.
I stayed more than 2. And I was very okay. As much as I am telling you guys to have lots of sex, depends your lots inatushanaje. Juu kama mimi, I'm not a fan of having that much sex.
Wow.
We
listen, we don't judge.
Like if you're always thinking about work, life, and stuff, you don't even get horny.
True.
And if you're broke, kama saizi.
Even if you're broke and you're horny, you need to really work on yourself. You cannot do both. Come on.
It's a lot to handle.
Kai, broke and horny? No. You're hata uendi kwa therapist, wewe exo.
Enda mjengo. Failure.
You're a failure. Hebu tuimbe ile song ya wakale.
Sijui. Failure.
Exactly.
Mbele.
No. We lost another one, guys. There we go. Anyway, thank you so much. That was so nice.
How much? Transfer how much?
Where? Nyuma ya tent.
Okay.
So that has been Lois akituambia about casual sex, guys. So,
and I don't know why she chose me. It has like a lot of question marks.
From the episode that you've watched, can you tell us down below, why do you think I chose her? Why? If you've watched up to this point, tell me why you think I chose Lois for this specific discussion today. And also for those who have chosen to have casual sex, tuambia nini, you just
do your thing.
Do your thing, just be safe. And also just know.
And be selfish.
Selfish na me agree casual sex.
No,
like
before you make the decision of having casual sex, think about the other options you have. Kuna options nyingi.
Acha watu have fun. Kama unataka ku have casual sex, go and have it. Tumeshakwambia the benefits, the risks. It's up to you, guys.
It's up to you, but before making that decision, you have a lot of other options. A lot of them.
Yeah, you do.
Options ni mob.
Kama hutaki ku go through the options, do what you gotta do.
Not casual sex.
Wale wanasemanga mwili kitisha imeitisha. Up to you. So I'm going to pose a question for my viewers. So according to the episode, after you've watched the whole episode, do you think casual sex is empowering or it's problematic in the society? Tell me what you think about it. And also, if you've watched up to this point, you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like,
please.
Share. Tell a friend that there's a fire podcast in the streets, and that will really support our channel. Also, let's embrace having judgment-free and open sex and relationship talks like this. And this is the only show you're going to find that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We'll have you again in our podcast.
You better make sure it's fast because my red card inaenda ikipanda.
Until next time, it's a wrap. Bye, guys.
Bye.